Today I'm going to tell you about the gripper mount by Dango Design, the most versatile action camera mount on the market, used by top YouTubers as well as many of your favorite social media content creators. This patented design gripper mount is proudly made in the USA. Made out of various blends of UV soft touch polypropylene, it is offered in an orange or black version. The gripper mount weighs 2.5 ounces or 72 grams before an action camera or hardware is added. Using a strong, robust torsion spring, the gripper clamps onto objects up to 2.5 inches thick. The gripper mount is most commonly used on the front of helmets to capture that ultimate POV footage. The GoPro Hero, Session, DJI Osmo Action, or similar cameras work directly on the gripper mount and provide enough clearance to properly mount on the face of most helmets on the market. Camera angle tunability is easy with the dual axes of adjustability. Simply push in the spring-loaded head, rotate within the 4 locking positions, plus you can also pivot the action camera at the mounting point. With the optional adapter pack that is sold separately, you can space out the position of your action camera to achieve the specific field of view when needed. You can find the gripper mount on our website at dango-design.com, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.